Having a pet can teach you great lessons about responsibility, organizing your time, and love. But owning a pet also takes a lot of hard work. Pets need you not only to survive, but they also need you to be happy. Before you get a pet, remember you'll need to do the following to make sure you're ready for it. Pets need food and water that only you can get them.
Hello, I'm Courtney and this is my pet bird Kazoo. He loves his food.
They also need a clean place to live, so make sure their area is neat.
Okay, Kazoo, it's time to clean your house. It's going to smell great. There go.
Where they live also needs to be secure, so they don't run away.
That wasn't that hard. But wait, where's Kazoo? Uh-oh. Kazoo, get back here. I'm going to put you back. Come here. Got you. Okay, I'm going to put you back home where you're safe. That was great. Wait, no, that was actually pretty concerning.
Remember, you need to keep an eye on your pet or make sure he's in his safe place. They can make a mess.
I'm Lucy, and I just got a pet turtle, Pickles. But I'm gonna go to the mall for a minute. Bye, Pickles.
Uh-oh, Pickles is making a mess. Some pets need to use the restroom outside. Be patient with them because they need time and love, just like you do.
Hi, I'm Cosmo and this is Gummy Bear, my new dog. It's not tummy time, Gummy Bear. Please go potty. Oh, good doggy. Yay, now we can go inside.
Oh no! What a mess! Where's Pickles? I hope he's okay. Oh, Pickles, you're okay. I should have put you in your aquarium. Messes can be cleaned up. I'm just glad you're safe.
Pets also need baths, just like you do.
Gummy Bear, you've left paw prints on the floor. I think it's time for your bath.
If your pet is feeling sick, you need to help them feel better. You can take them to the vet, otherwise known as a dog tour.
Thanks for meeting me at the park so our pets can play.
Pets need exercise so they can be healthy. Healthy also means happy, so play with them. Playing with pets will make you happy too.
Fetch, Pickles! Good job, Pickles. Got it.
If you can be responsible enough to keep your pets happy, healthy, and safe, you might be ready for a pet. With patience, love, and a lot of work, your pet can be your best friend.
Bye, everyone. Let's go home, Kazoo.